Happy holidays. It's the blind bearded chef coming to you again, showing you all these desserts that I'm doing for Christmas. So let's get ready to do the lemon pound cake now. I love this lemon pound cake. That sweetness with that tartness. So I'm about to show y'all how to do it. And of course, since I promised to give you all a Christmas carol with every recipe that I'm doing for Christmas, I'm going to do a simple one that everybody know. Silent night, holy night, all is calm, all is bright, round young virgin mother and child. Holy infant, so tender and mild, sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace. Now let's go squeeze some lemons. All right, lemon pound cake or lemon cake, whatever you want to say. So this is 2 cups of all-purpose flour. In there, I'm about to put the zest of 2 lemons. Put that in the dry. And 1 tablespoon. Where's my 1 tablespoon of baking powder? Where is it? Right here. Yeah. 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Alright, mix that all together. We don't need no salt because we're using salted butter. Alright, in this bowl here, I have 2 sticks, which is 1 cup of salted butter. I'm going to put 1 1/4 cup of white sugar in there. Alright, I know what we're about to do. About to cream it up. I'm telling you, this is a good cake. Alright, got that mixed up. Now let's add 4 eggs to this. Yeah, I'm supposed to do 1 at a time, but this is good like this. Gonna come out to the same thing. Alright, got all that creamed up. Let's add 1 cup of whole milk. Add 1 cup. Let's add some flavoring. Let's add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let's add 1 teaspoon of lemon extract. And let's add 4. I got fresh squeezed lemon juice here from when I zest. Let's add 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's see where I pour it right here. One, 2, 3, 4. So you see how all that lemon flavor gonna be in there, and we got that lemon zest that's in our dry. So let's whip this in slowly. Let's add our flour in there a little bit at a time. So then you put in 2 batches right there. Mix it in slow. The rest. And I say this smells good. I'm telling you, it's one of the best lemon cakes, y'all. All right, flour your Bundt pan with butter shortening and flour. and put that cake batter in there. I got my oven preheated at 350 degrees. This is gonna go in there for 50 minutes. All right, let's put it in the oven for 50 minutes. I hope I didn't overfill this cake, y'all. Usually it don't rise over that much because sometimes this cake is like a dense cake. Dense but very, very fluffy. All right, y'all, my cake been in for 50 minutes. Let me get it right here. Been in for 50 minutes and there you go. All right, let's take a toothpick and go right here. That's it. Come back clean. All right. Now let's let it cool. All right, y'all, making a little lemon simple serve. So I did about maybe about 6 tablespoons of sugar, about a 1/4 or 1/3 cup of water, and I'm about to add some lemon juice in it. Maybe about let's see. I'm gonna tell y'all how much. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Make a simple serve to go at the bottom of this cake and on top. So take your wooden straw and punch you some holes. Punch you a few holes at the bottom of this cake. And we're gonna pour some of the simple serve. Then we're gonna flip it over. All right, about to take my spoon and just spoon some over my cake so we can go in those holes. We don't want to do too much because we don't want it soggy. And we'll flip this baby over and we'll put some on the other side. All right, let's flip this bad boy on another one of these. Ooh, like I've been baking all day. Almost finished. I got a few recipes left. Let's flip it. Wow. I got stuff everywhere. Hold up. Let me put this over here. Here, let's straighten it up. Let's straighten it up. All right. Now, and I'll put the is it on there? Yeah. I'll put the glaze on it later. But right now, let's put let me get my brush. And let's put some of the simple serve on top. Where did my brush? Here we go. So, simple serve over here. So let's put some of our lemon simple serve. Brush some of the simple serve on top. We already got some at the bottom. It's delicious. And just let me go like this. Get some of this. Let's spread some of this simple serve all on top. So when I do a lemon cake, I want it to be lemon everywhere. And trust me, it's lemon inside, lemon outside, and we're going to make a lemon glaze with the lemon juice and the powdered sugar. All right. All right, y'all. Here goes the third or fourth or fifth dessert. Hell, I lost count. Whatever I said on Facebook what I was going to make, here you go. This is the lemon pound cake with the lemon glaze dripping on it. Oh yeah, y'all. Also, I made the glaze with I'm not telling you how I make this stuff. I made the glaze with this powdered sugar and some lemon juice, and about a half a pack of Kool-Aid lemonade. And you drizzle it on the cake. Y'all see me do the simple serve. So there goes this cake here. Merry Christmas. Happy holidays. I forgot what dessert them I'm on. All right.